Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm gonna make a delicious and easy sandwich that's perfect for morning or even quick dinner. Let's get started. First, let's take our two medium baguettes and slice them lengthwise in half. This will give us the perfect base for our cheesy sausage heaven. Now crack the eggs and some salt and black pepper and whisk them with a fork until smooth. Now let's slice up the sausage into small pieces so they cook evenly and taste great in every bite. Dip the baguette slices into the egg mixture, making sure they're well coated. Then place them on a baking tray. Now sprinkle shredded mozzarella on top. Add the sausage slices and finish with other layer of cheese for that perfect melt. If you're enjoying this recipe, please give it a like, leave a comment, and share it with your friends. And of course, subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Our tray is ready. Now let's bake it in the oven, preheated to 180 degrees Celsius until it's golden and bubbly. With love from my kitchen to yours. Now it's time to taste. It's so delicious. Don't forget to give it a try. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.